What's up guys, this is Dave and we're back again with another informational video, this time about some of our more popular bars, our San Diego bar and our Lucky 13 bar. These are arguably the bars that made us known around the world, putting your hands in that proprietary position that makes you want to ride your bike that much longer. We're going to get into the specifics of why these have been so successful and give you guys a little bit more information on how you can choose the right fitment for you. On the table are some of our more standard bars. We've talked about our Peacemaker risers, our heavy hitters, which are made with a 4.5 inch on center proprietary mounting. These bars are for your standard mounting applications across the board: Sportsters, Dynas, FXRs, FLH, anything that doesn't have a proprietary integrated top tree from Harley. These will bolt right up and they're going to give you that performance feel. To my right is our San Diego bar, and this is actually the first bar that I developed to put into production. It's the bar that made us world famous. This bar is really popular because of the hand position it puts you in. I mean, the aesthetics, everything, it's a great looking bar. We have it on thousands of bikes from, Dyna, Sportsters, FXRs, you see them everywhere. But really the secret sauce of this bar and its performance, its popularity is going to be the hand positioning that it puts you in. I put a ton of time into it because I've been on bikes a lot. I've been in wrecks. I have some limited blood flow in certain areas of my body that can keep me off the bike. I really went after that perfect hand fitment to maximize the time that you want to spend on your bike. We nailed it with a San Diego bar for the riders that wanted something a little closer to them with a little bit more pullback. Shortly after, we came out with our Lucky 13 bar. This bar is going to get you to that perfect riding position. Hopefully you're achieving 90-degree angles in your shoulders, your hips, your knees, get you in that good performance feel. If you're a shorter guy, a taller guy, you can select between the bars and really get the fitment that you want between the sizes that we offer. Our San Diego bar is your straight up MX style T-bar. This is our probably most popular bar. We've sold more of these than just about any out there. It's a really good looking T-bar. It doesn't give you the pullback like our Lucky 13s, but if you're not looking for that, obviously it's not something that you want. This is a fantastic fit. At about 29 inches wide overall, that nice narrow fit, our proprietary hand positioning. We do have our braces in anything that's a 14 inch or taller, or on our 13s it's 13 inch or taller. This is a very solid setup for you guys. You accomplish a lot with a little bit of money. If you're comparing this to a riser and bar setup, you're at a fraction of the cost. It bolts right up and it'll give you that Southern Cal performance club style look if you're looking for that. To my left is the Lucky 13 bar. If this needs introduction, you're probably new to our company because this is definitely one of our most popular bars. The only difference between the Lucky 13 and the San Diego bar is going to be that pullback that you have in the top portion of the bar right here. You can see the risers are actually going to bring you just back a little bit further than you would on a standard bar like our San Diego bar. Maybe in 5.8, when I started riding some of the bigger bikes, or even on my FXR, my favorite bar, my go-to bar was the Lucky 13 because I wanted to have my hands right where I could put them. It was going to give me enough leverage at full lock, but I also wasn't going to be too cramped and not too stretched out in that riding position. The Lucky 13 gives you something that you wouldn't be able to get if you didn't have that pullback, and I'm proud to say that we're one of the first ones, if not the first one, to put a pullback MX style T-bar on the market. This bar has done very well for us. If you're looking for a pullback MX style T-bar, or really any T-bar that you want, you're not going to regret on your bike. You can't go wrong with the Lucky 13s as well.